So today I have review video. Now I'm pretty late to review these Amazon originals, and I mean, yeah, if you have watched all these shows, then great. Tell me if you agree with me in the comments, and if you have not watched these shows, then I think it's better if you watch my reviews first and then go and watch these shows. Everyone, this is Calliope aka Kalpita Naidu, and let's begin today's video. Alright, so this is my opinion about Amazon originals and Netflix. You know, some of the Indian series. I feel Amazon has kind of got it right. You know, they have understood the pulse of the audience, and Netflix is still trying, I would say. Some of them it's fine, but I still feel like they should work on the script more, and maybe how about like hiring more people from here also would be great, especially in the writing department. And I'm not saying that Amazon has completely got it right, but I think they are doing much better. Like, you know, वो एक पता नहीं फिल्मी सा feel है in most Amazon originals. So yeah, I still have to watch a couple of them. So whatever I have watched, I'm just gonna review them. So the first one is of course Mirzapur. Somehow it's kind of like a favorite of a lot of men, and I'll tell you why it is like that. So of course, if you've seen the promos of Mirzapur, you kind of know a little bit about the story. It's basically a crime thriller web series. So Pankaj Tripathi plays Kaleen Bhaiya, and he's sort of like this godfather of this place called Mirzapur, and he has a carpet business, but then उसके अलावा भी उसकी आड़ में बहुत सारे other criminal businesses भी है, and everyone respects him, or everyone is kind of scared of him, so they show respect, and it's almost like a lawless place. Okay, कुछ भी हो रहा है वहाँ पे, and ज़्यादा कुछ कोई कर नहीं रहा है. It's like police is also not doing much. The politicians are also like hand in hand with them. हर कोई बस पैसे के लिए करता है, या फिर दर्शन दिखाने के लिए, या फिर जो satisfy their male ego. And this is like very much a male centric story. Okay, everything is about machoism and proving themselves, and of course satisfying their own ego and stuff like that. Okay, apart from Pankaj Tripathi, it has really great actors like Ali Fazal, Vikrant Massey, is it Massey? I don't know how to pronounce his name. Shweta Tripathi, Shreya Pilgaonkar, Rasika Duggal, and Divyandu, of course, who plays Kaleen Bhaiya's son. He's got a really great role. And of course there's Kulbhushan Kharbanda, the senior actor. Initially when I started watching this show, I was really hooked onto it, to be honest, and I was very invested in the story. Okay, it was like I knew this would be something like Gangs of Wasipur, Sacred Games, sort of, but more about more of Anurag Kashyap types films. And do they get it right? Sort of. They have really great actors who have done amazing job. Now, you know, some of the things just feel very forced. Okay, and of course as a feminist, I just feel kuch cheeze I just could not digest. And yeah, I mean, at the end it's just a fictional story, but still I was like, I wish there was more we could see of Shweta Tripathi's character or Rasika Duggal, but they just don't have much to do. Now I am feeling that they might have more to do in the second season, which they are going to release, especially Rasika Duggal. But in this series I was kind of angry at some of the dialogues, but maybe there are I mean, this is like, there are a lot of men who do think like that, and especially with someone who has so much of power and hold over some city. So, you know, it's almost like you have to prove yourself even to your wife. And yeah, it was just disturbing for me to watch. Let's just put it that way. I'm not surprised that a lot of men like this show a lot. I don't know whether it fulfills their fantasy of just, you know, behaving whatever way they want to. You know, there are so many abuses in the show. Some of it just feels like forced. I mean, हर जगह पे there is just abuse. मतलब हर एक dialogue में abuse है. And like I said, there is just no accountability of, you know, much of what they show. Like crime हो रहा है पर उसका कुछ कहीं ना कहीं तो कुछ थोड़ा बहुत सज़ा मिलने की कोशिश हो. But one or two places it is there, but then it just doesn't really make that much of impact. एक दो characters है ऐसे जो कि, you know, they are morally righteous and they try to put sense in especially these characters who are kind of forced to join Kaleen Bhaiya, that is Ali Fazal and Vikrant's character, Guddu Bhaiya and Bablu Bhaiya. But like I said, it's not completely bad, it's watchable, but sometimes it just made me so angry, and especially the last episode and in between also. Too much of violence also. I don't really have a problem with violence, but sometimes I just feel that it's just over the top and it was not necessary. तो मतलब गोली भी चल रही है तो ऐसे चल रही है कि भेजा उड़ गया है या किसी का यहाँ पे intestines या पता नहीं पेट में क्या क्या था पता नहीं you know, that is like flowing. It was honestly really disgusting to watch it. I mean, if you're watching a documentary, I think it's different, you know, of crime, of criminals, but this is like, I don't know why they show it. But on in a movie or something, it was not really needed. That's what I feel. Now, yeah, so it is like one of the popular web series in India. But I have a feeling that second season might be good. Like, I'm waiting for the second season no matter how I feel about this season. Of course, the performances were great and it made me watch it. Or, you know, of course, the later episodes I did not really binge watch it. Initial episodes I was like invested in the stories. But I feel that the female characters, they are definitely going to do something great. You know, एक कुछ twist आने वाला है. And I hope that they are, you know, shown like more stronger. बहुत ज़रूरत है. You know, they need to do something, because watching some of it just made me, especially the last episode, made me so angry, and I don't want to give out too much, but I am waiting for Beena, that's Rasika Dugal's character, to explode, and even Shweta Tripathi doing something amazing. Let's hope for the best. So yeah, all in all, I would say that Mirzapur is definitely watchable, and ऐसा नहीं है कि binge watch करने का मन करेगा, but watch it for the performances, and initial episodes are great. You'll feel extremely invested in the story and क्या हो रहा है, you know, आगे देखने के लिए. But थोड़ा violence है, like, you know, कुछ चीज़ें आपको cringe definitely करेंगी. But if you enjoy watching crime, drama and all, then watch it. ठीक है? Next up is Made in Heaven. This web series is about two wedding planners running this wedding planning agency called Made in Heaven. Now, weddings are like a huge part of Indian traditions, Indian culture. Culture बोलूँ या पता नहीं, traditions ही बोलना चाहिए. But you know, बचपन से लेकर till you're married or even after that, every generation, like, you know, they keep, स्पेशली अगर आप लड़की हो, बचपन से आपको ये सुनने को आता है कि वन डे यूल गेट मैरिड, पराया धन, तेरी शादी होगी ना तो तुझे पता चलेगा, ससुराल में जाके क्या करेगी, मैं नहीं होंगी वहाँ पे, कभी ना कभी तो शादी करनी है, तेरे बच्चे होंगे ना तो तुझे पता चलेगा. दीज आर द थिंग्स स्पेशली गर्ल्स कीप हियरिंग. लड़का होगा तो यार अब मैं थक गई हूँ, मुझे आराम करना है, मेरे लिए एक बहू ला दे. ओके, बेसिकली ग्लोरिफाइड नॉन पेड मेड चाहिए रहती है हर किसी को. सॉरी, दैट्स माई ओपिनियन अबाउट मैरिज. प्लीज डू नॉट गेट मैरिड अनलेस देयर इज इक्वालिटी, लव, कमिटमेंट, रिस्पेक्ट. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. जस्ट बिकॉज पीपल आर टेलिंग यू डोंट गेट मैरिड. ठीक है. Anyway, coming to the show, तो यही है कि so these two characters, Tara and Karan, are running this wedding planning business, and in every episode na they are like showing, mostly तो सब big, it's all big fat weddings only. तो दिल्ली की सोसाइटी दिखाई है, तो ऑब्वियसली सोचा तो होगा. Okay, because it's mainly about the big fat weddings of this high class rich society. क्या है वो, साउथ दिल्ली, और क्या फार्म हाउस टाइप, सैनिक फार्म्स, पता नहीं ऐसे कुछ तो नाम सुने हैं मैंने. तो इसमें अब हर एक शादी में कुछ ना कुछ चीज़ें हैं, कुछ इश्यूज आते हैं, यू नो, एंड समटाइम्स वी इवन सी कि हाउ मच ऑफ अ मॉडर्न पीपल प्रिटेंड एट टाइम्स ना, कुछ चीज़ें ऐसे धकोसली वो पुरानी ओल्ड ट्रेडिशंस ऑल्सो पीपल वांट टू फॉलो. And it's also about Tara and Karan's individual life stories as well, like how they deal with their life. You know, for example, Tara deals with her in-laws. She has come up from, you know, she was from a middle class family, and abhi wo, you know, she's married to a rich business tycoon, and how, you know, she has to prove that she can also do business, she likes to work. ये सब चीज़ें दिखती है, like, you know, in every episode. And Karan plays a gay character, so he has to deal with his issues, okay, whether it's the society's hypocrisy or conservative nature, or his own parents, okay, how they both individually, mom and dad, कैसे react करते हैं, how even in his friends, how there'll be always this one person who keeps cracking these stupid gay jokes, okay, which is not required, and then there are others who are great support. So Made in Heaven is like, you know, a reflection of society, okay. They are just showing us this is how society is, this is how, you know, characters aise milenge alag alag, okay, and the hypocrisy of a lot of people or the society at large. So definitely I enjoyed it. It's not over the top, it's not too much, but I did like the whole series, the writing, the performance is also great, except पता नहीं शोभिता का कहीं कहीं पे, maybe that's how, I don't know, to like rich people maybe behave like that, I don't know, she tries to hide it, that's why she has to, like, you know, behave like this really someone who's very well put together person. So maybe that's what she's portraying, and maybe I don't understand much about that about rich people. So but she's great at some places, and even other characters, they are amazing. So yeah, this is very great web series. I feel, you know, everyone should watch it. It's light-hearted, but it's not completely light-hearted because it's dealing with a lot of things from our society. The next is The Family Man. So this is like a spy story. He's a middle class guy who's secretly working for a national investigation agency, and normally if you meet him outside, you'll feel like, you know, he's just a normal middle class person working like maybe a banker or some government job, and actual mein he's like a spy. Yeah, interesting, right? Like when I watched the promo, I was like, wow. So ye cheez hai ki, you know, I enjoy such stories because in my mind I also want to do something like that. It's like one of my fantasies कि काश मैं भी ऐसे spy होती. But I know I'm not gonna do that. I would stick to creativity. But yeah, in my mind I'm very badass, but actually I'm not. So obviously promos देखे होंगे तो पता है कि मनोज बाजपेयी is playing the character, and Priyamani plays his wife, and he's like a normal family guy, दो बच्चे. So on one hand it shows Srikanth's family life, and on the other hand field work भी बताते हैं, like, you know, when he's working as this intelligence officer. So yeah, first few episodes are like very funny, कुछ चीज़ें when you watch it, it's really funny, and it is as the show progresses. I feel that it was really very engaging, very raw, and certain things really made me. It disturbed me as in not really bad, like you know ऐसा कुछ violent एकदम नहीं है जैसे मिर्ज़ापुर, but you know it made me kind of sad for the character, kind of angry and sad. So especially the guy who plays the terrorist, Musa, Neeraj Madhav. Apparently he's a Malayalam actor. I've not seen his movies. I'll definitely check it out अगर अच्छे होंगे. Please suggest if you have watched any of his movies. So yeah, the transition of his character, or rather the way he was playing dumb or playing like this innocent person, and then suddenly he's like doing things or making people do things, and I'm like, wow. So that shows the amazing range, you know, he has as an actor, uski acting ki range. So yeah, those episodes were, some of the episodes were really like what I felt very sad. So yeah, it will keep you engaged. I feel all in all, you know, on one side you're enjoying their family story, you know, internally what is happening as husband and wife, what is happening as a family man, what he feels or what he goes through, and then on the other hand the field work, okay, how they work or what they have to deal with. So it's interesting to go in that world, okay, because we most of us, if we are not part of that world, at least I enjoy watching such shows, such films, because I am interested in their part of the world. Like I remember when I went to get my passport police verification के लिए, so वहाँ पे वो ये था cyber police का I think department, and you know they were checking all those CCTV footage and stuff. So that sort of thing really, like you know, I was just watching what they are doing because I could not see much or understand much, but then it was interesting to just be there. Of course sometimes it's not really interesting if you see some, you know, I've seen once a senior officer was just hitting this rickshaw wala so much, so that is not really enjoyable to watch, okay. Anyway, all in all, definitely I would say watch The Family Man for the performances, the plot, the twist, and it's definitely engaging, and yeah. Alright, so that's it guys. I'll definitely review more Amazon originals as I watch them. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please comment below and let me know if you watch these series or if you plan to watch it, and how did you find it. Okay, please share this video with your friends, and please subscribe if you're liking my channel, my videos. Thank you to all my subscribers. Please ask your family and friends to subscribe as well. If you want to check out my last video, it's somewhere here. Until next time, it's bye bye for me. Take care.